Police car light breaking. The United Nations (UN) this week marked its 80-year diplomatic cooperation anniversary with Ethiopia, celebrating decades of multilateral partnership and global diplomacy. In related news, a dormant volcano in Ethiopia's Afar region, Haile Gubi, erupted recently for the first time in thousands of years, sending ash plumes high into the sky. Though no casualties reported, communities near after faced displacement and livestock losses as ash covers grazing lands. Subscribe/follow for more news. See you in the next video. Goodbye.